Welcome to ScoreBoost Metro 2 Compliance Credit Education. Our resources empower you to understand and navigate Metro 2 compliance, helping you identify and dispute credit report inaccuracies. With our guidance, ensure your credit history is accurately reported. Trusted by many, ScoreBoost equips you with the knowledge to take control of your credit journey. Start your path to financial empowerment today. Discover the power of Metro 2 compliance with ScoreBoost. Our educational resources simplify the process of identifying and disputing credit report inaccuracies. Trusted by many, ScoreBoost equips you with the tools needed to take control of your financial future. Metro 2 compliance is your key to accurate credit reporting. Our resources guide you through understanding and utilizing Metro 2 standards. Learn to spot inaccuracies and take charge of your credit report. With our support, navigate the complexities with ease and confidence. Our credit education services equip you with the knowledge to tackle credit report inaccuracies confidently. Learn to understand your credit report, identify errors, and apply effective correction strategies. With our guidance, transform your financial landscape by ensuring your credit report accurately reflects your financial history. Join us in taking control of your credit today and pave the way for a secure financial future. Our educational tools empower you to ensure your credit report is a true reflection of your financial history, paving the way for a secure financial future. Take charge of your credit journey today. Our educational resources guide you in spotting errors on your credit report, understanding their potential effects, and taking the necessary steps to dispute them. Maintaining a precise credit history is crucial for financial health. Learn how to report credit data accurately, ensuring that your credit history reflects true financial behavior. Discover how ScoreBoost transformed a customer's credit journey. By providing crucial insights into identifying and correcting credit report errors, ScoreBoost empowered them with the knowledge of Metro 2 compliance. This testimonial showcases the powerful impact of understanding credit reporting standards, leading to improved financial confidence and accuracy. See how ScoreBoost resources can guide you towards achieving precise credit clarity.